I use OBS Studio to record everything. Recently, it's been acting up and lagging a bunch, so I can't do live streams at the moment, but I want to show you how I got this little talking character on my video. Firstly, you need PNG Maker on Steam. It's free. I do believe there are in-browser sites, but I found out how to do this with this app, so I'll be using this. You should draw your character. Draw an idling version and a talking version. For the talking version, you can make it a GIF if you don't want to make a whole other thing for a mouth where you'll have to draw each sound. I did the former, so I'll have to add on an accessory later. In the Maker, click the Avatar button. This is where you can upload your drawings. Click the plus to make a new avatar, and it should open to the screen. Upload your PNG or GIF to the idle and speaking squares. I tried to use the transition frames, but it would either do nothing or spam the blinking GIF, so I just decided not to use them. Select your new avatar to start using it. You can hover over your avatar and scroll to change the size or drag it to move it. I would move it to be away from the watermark. You can have your avatar move while speaking or idling in the avatar menu. At the top is also where you can change the sensitivity of audio it takes to change to the speaking image. If you made the mouth separate, you need to upload it as an accessory. Select PNG on speech and press Add to make a new accessory. Either you can make the mouth a PNG or GIF, or you can make it so each sound will have a different mouth shape. This is what I did. You'll need to make an image for each of these sounds. I made a folder to organize all of mine. When you're done, select your new accessory. Have it at least one layer above your avatar, and have it absorb to the model if you want it to follow your avatar's movements. Same as the avatar, you can scroll to zoom and drag it around. If you don't want the avatar being an overlay, you can just upload an image for the background, but if you want it to be on top of your stream, open up backgrounds. Set the color to a solid color opposite to the main color of your avatar. Pigeon is mostly orange, so the opposite of that is blue. And now turn off the menu UI. Open up OBS Studio. Under Sources, press the plus sign. Then add a game capture. Here are the settings you need to have it fetch the PNG Maker app and start to make it transparent. Pause this part if you need to copy it. There's a watermark at the bottom, and the avatar isn't where I want her to be. To fix the watermark problem, stretch or move this source to have the watermark outside the frame. If the avatar is still not in the right place, you can go back to the Maker and move the avatar until they're where you want them to be. There's some blue crust around the edges because of the green screen effect. To fix this, select the avatar and add a filter. Click the plus under the effect filter and add a chroma key. Choose what color the background was, and move the similarity and smoothness until it looks right. Usually, you'll just have to mess with the smoothness. That's all you have to do to make a PNG avatar and import it into OBS Studio. You have to keep the Maker open while streaming though. You have to keep it minimized instead of behind your other apps, or else something like this might happen since it's technically open and on your screen. Minimize is that minus button at the top of the window, by the way.